Imagine if you could quickly and easily create beautiful printable planners that you could sell in your online shop to grow your income. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a brand that I partner up with that makes it so simple for you to start a planner business, even if you have no prior experience creating planners and have no design skills. Now, if you want to learn how you could start making passive income with planners that are done for you, and all you have to do is just add your own branding elements, make sure to stick around until the end. Hi, and welcome back. My name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe for weekly videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos. Now, the Pro Planner Template Pack is the easiest way to create your own printable planners in one day or less. Now, this is for you if you ever felt like any of the following. You'd love to create your own printable planner, but you just don't have the time to do it from scratch, right? Maybe you're very, very busy. You have a full-time job. Maybe spending weeks learning InDesign is not something you really want to do at this current moment. You want to create a beautiful planner for your clients, but hiring a designer is out of your budget and is very expensive as well. You have tried to design a planner, but made you feel overwhelmed and stressed out about all the small details. Not only that, but the end result was completely disappointing. So if you feel like this, Carmia offers a 36 done-for-you planner pages that all you need to do, like I said in the beginning, is add your own branding and pretty much start selling online. Now, she offers 2 packages. Let me walk you through them. All right, so here we are, and let me go ahead and show you the 2 packages available and kind of break it down for you. So the first package is called the Pro Planner Template Pack Standard Edition. And you get the 36 planner page templates. You get bonus number 1, which is done for you planner. Bonus number 2 is design like a pro. Bonus number 3 is clip art set of 32 elements. You get video tutorials. So if you need help customizing the templates or understanding how to do so, you're going to get that additional help as well. You get the extended commercial license, which means that you could sell it as your own, and then lifetime updates and support. So you get all of this for only $39. Now, they also have the deluxe edition. And with this, you get a little bit more. So you get included the 36 planner page templates. You get as a bonus 2022 calendar template. You get 7 planner cover templates. This is where the value comes in with getting the edition pack. You get 23 product mockups already made for you. You get 16 Pinterest pin mockups. You get 25 object overlays. You get a done-for-you gold planner as well that you could sell. These are all the bonuses that we just talked about, but you also get bonus number 4, which is 3 handmade fonts with commercial license. And then you have the additional stuff that we talked about, video tutorials to help you how to customize the templates, extended commercial license, and lifetime update and support. So this particular package here costs $89. Now, if you are serious about starting a printable business with planners, I just recommend just getting the $89 because you get all of this included. Let me show you how it looks so you guys can have a better idea. So these are the done for you pages here. So once you click on the link, I will leave it again in the comments and also below this video, you'll be able to kind of look through all of the different planner pages that you get included. Keep in mind that the formats in order to be able to edit these are Canva, Adobe InDesign, and Affinity Publisher. And then if we scroll all the way down, let me show you everything that you get included visually so you can see it. So this is the Goal Getter Planner template that you get with the $89 package. So you can actually use these and sell them. Obviously, make sure you read the terms and conditions. She does provide you that when you purchase of the changes that you need to make to sell the final file. You also get the 2022 calendar template. And this is how simple it is to, open it up in Canva, customize it, add a few elements to it, change the font, change the colors, maybe add your branding colors, right? Add your logo, and now you have a final file that you created that you could use as your own. Down here, this is where the value comes in that I was talking about. You get these product mockups already pre-made for you. So when you are ready, when you take that day and a half to edit all of these files and you're ready to start selling them online, whether it's on your Etsy store, Shopify, your own website, wherever you decide to do, these are already pre-made for you. All you have to do is just change the colors to your branding, add your store name or your URL, add your files in top of this, and your mockups are already created for you. And she has additional templates, which is really cool. Like this one is a coupon template. This one tells you how it works. So this is just step by step for the customer. This is another one, download, print, and write. You get a testimonial template. You get an additional template that tells them, hey, this is the digital download. You're not going to get a physical file. So like a little disclaimer. You get a benefits one. This is all different mockups that you could use for your Etsy listing. So you'll have 10 mockups already pre-made for your product. This is a way to go because it's just going to be so much easier for you guys to have everything pre-made, especially if you feel like I don't have the time to create planners, I don't have the time to figure out how to create mockups. This is already done for you. And you could use these mockups not only on your Etsy store, but you could use them on Instagram, on Facebook, and you get additional mockups for Pinterest. So you get these Pinterest templates already pre-made for you that you could just add your design right on top of it using Canva, edit them, save them, and use them on Pinterest as well. These are the 7 planner cover templates that you get with it. You also get 36 PNG object overlays right here. And this is how simple they are to use. You just drag and drop using Canva. And I mean, you can't beat this. You get all of this already. It's almost like a pre-made business for you. And all you got to do is just customize it and play around with the colors. And that's all you pretty much got to do. Just make the final file different from what you're buying, from what you're selling. That's it. It's that simple. Printable planners do really well on Etsy. And you could easily buy these planners today. Add your customization, your branding, and be on your way to making passive income online. You could also use these to grow your email list and offer it as a freebie. So many different ways, right, that you could take advantage of these done for you planners. I'm going to leave my referral link in the comments below. And make sure to check out these additional videos on the screen that will help you grow an impactful Etsy business. I'll see you in the next video.